In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a video to your GoDaddy website builder site step by step. Whether you want to showcase a promo video, embed a YouTube clip, or highlight a product demo, adding video is one of the best ways to make your website more engaging and professional. I'll walk you through the entire process from login to publishing so you can follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to GoDaddy.com and log into your account. Click the Sign In button at the top right and enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll land on your account dashboard. This is where you manage all your products, including domains, hosting, and your website builder. Next, from your account dashboard, click on My Products. This section shows everything you currently own with GoDaddy. Scroll down until you find your website builder product. When you see it, click on the Manage button next to it. Now click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor. Give it a few seconds to load and you'll see your website preview along with editing options. At this point, you need to decide where you want your video to appear. You have two main options. You can either add the video inside an existing section of your website, or you can create a brand new section specifically for the video. If you want the video between two existing sections, hover your mouse between them and click the Add Section button that appears. When the section library opens, scroll down until you find the Media category. Under Media, select Video. You'll now see different layout options available, such as full width, boxed layout, or side-by-side with text. Choose the layout that best fits your design. For example, full width works great for promotional videos, while side-by-side is perfect if you want text explaining the video next to it. Once you've selected your preferred layout, click Add. Your new video section will now appear on the page with a placeholder. Click directly on the video placeholder and a settings panel will open on the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll add your video. GoDaddy Website Builder typically allows you to embed videos from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Copy the URL of your video from YouTube or your chosen platform, then paste it into the video link field in the settings panel. Once you paste the link, the preview should automatically update to display your video. You can also adjust settings like autoplay, looping, or muting depending on the options available in your editor. Take a moment to check the alignment, spacing, and overall appearance to make sure it looks good on your page. You can drag the section up or down if you need to reposition it. Before publishing, it's a good idea to preview your site. Click the Preview button to see how your video looks on desktop and mobile. This is important because you want to make sure the video displays properly on all devices. Once you're happy with everything, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This will make your video live on your website. After publishing, visit your live site to confirm that the video loads and plays correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your GoDaddy Website Builder website. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and adding video can dramatically improve engagement and conversions on your site. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.